Good day guys, Engineer Ken nga pala. So sa video na to, magsosolve tayo ng isang problem about electrostatics. So what is the potential energy stored in the electric field of a 200 microfarad capacitor when it is charged to a voltage of 2,400 volts? So ang hinahanap natin for this problem is yung potential energy stored daw. So basically, itong potential energy stored na to is yung energy stored in the capacitor. Okay, so first things first, sulat muna natin yung mga given natin. So meron tayong 200 microfarad capacitor. So ito yung capacitance natin. So C is equal to 200 microfarads. Then meron tayong voltage na 2,400 volts. Okay? So, ang formulang gagamitin natin for this problem is yung formula ng stored energy sa capacitor, which is energy is equal to 1/2 CV square lang. Ayan. So, direct substitution lang to. So, energy natin, 1/2 times C natin. So, 200 micro. So, times 10 raised to negative 6. Then, yung voltage natin, 2,400 square. So, kung isa-solve natin yung energy stored, ang makukuha natin dito is in terms of joules. So, try nating isolve. So, 1/2 times 200 times 10 raised to 6 or negative 6 times 24 square. Ayan. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito is 576 joules. So, ang answer sa problem na to is letter B. So, ayun lang guys. And thank you sa pakikinig and panonood. Bye guys!